Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Fouts. I'm one of the operations managers for Stryker Networks. We are a managed services provider providing IT services for small to mid-sized customers. This is a series of how-to videos for our end users to provide assistance on a variety of IT topics. Today we're going to talk about how to set up a VPN. Sometimes it's called a virtual private network. Here at Stryker Networks, we use the Sophos VPN client. So there may be times when you're required to connect to your organization's network while on the go, or even from home if you're working from home. This will require you to have a VPN set up on your PC. At Stryker Networks, like I mentioned, we use the Sophos VPN client that will be installed on your computer. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to install and connect to your organization securely. To begin, we're going to need to make sure we download and install the VPN software. First thing we'll need is your organization's VPN address. This is typically given to your administrator, on-site administrator, or office manager, but can also be given to you via our help desk if you need assistance. And sometimes it's sent over from us in a documentation PDF format. So once you have that URL, you're going to want to make sure that you pull it up in a web browser like so. The most important thing to do is to copy it exactly how you see it, either in email or PDF like I mentioned when it was given to you. If you don't put in the HTTPS that you see here on my screen at the beginning, you're not going to be able to connect to the website correctly. So once you've got that entered in exactly like it was given to you, you're going to want to make sure you navigate to the page. You're then going to want to put in your username and password. This is going to be the same username and password you use for your desktop or your laptop for your organization. So once you've got that entered in, you're going to be required to put in a little captcha code down here. Once you've got that, we're going to hit login. I'll refresh and try here one more time. Sometimes if you encounter an error logging into this page, just make sure, like I said, you navigated to the right URL, or you just give the page a refresh if it's giving you an issue. As you can see, once I refresh the page, it let us in there. Now we're going to want to make sure on the left-hand side, we select SSL VPN. And then we have a couple different options here. More than likely, if you've never used the VPN before, you're going to want to select the top option, download client and configuration for Windows. If you do have the VPN installed and you've been instructed to update your software, you're then going to want to select the second option, which is download configuration for Windows. If you're using a Mac or any other type of computer, you're probably going to want to contact us because the setup is going to be a little bit more involved, but that's what these other options are for. So I'm going to select download client and configuration. After a couple seconds, it's going to download the software. I'm then going to open it up. And you may require an administrator password to get past this point. If you're prompted with an administrator password box, just go ahead and either contact your on-site administrator or go ahead and give us a call and we can complete the setup for you. So once we've got it opened and ready to go, we're just going to walk through the install with the default settings. We don't need to change anything. Once that's installed, we're just going to hit next and finish. You're then going to see the software pop up right here. It says Sophos SSL VPN client on your taskbar, and it literally looks like a traffic light. So when it's red, it's disconnected, yellow means it's connecting, and green means it's connected. So we're going to go ahead and right-click it. You're then going to want to hit connect. If you're using it on your computer, you're not going to see all the different options that I see. You're just going to be given the option to connect or disconnect. So once you hit connect, you're going to be then again asked to enter in that login information. This is the same information that you entered earlier in the web browser. Once you've got it in, you're going to hit OK. You're going to see that the icon down here, it changed to yellow because it's trying to connect. And after a couple seconds, I would give it about 10 to 15 seconds, it should turn green. And you're going to see a little pop-up that says you're now connected. There it goes. So there's the pop-up. So now we know we're connected. Now, if you have any file shares or anything that you need to use while you're connected to the office, you're going to want to go ahead and test that and make sure everything is connected. Basically, what this does is it makes your computer seem like it's connected, even if you were just sitting in the office, even though you may be in an airport or working from home or somewhere remote. This gives you a direct connection to your office to allow you to use anything you would use as if you were sitting in the office. Of course, if you have any problems with this or you need assistance getting it installed, please give us a call at 847-328-1400, or you can email us, helpdesk@strykernetworks.com. Our contact info is also in the description below the video.